How to fix unidentified network, no internet in Windows 10. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Control Panel and click on Network and Internet, which is the second option. Below System and Security and above Hardware and Sound. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Then you'll find Change Adapter Settings on your left. Then click on Wi-Fi. Right click on it. And you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Go to Properties. In Properties, make sure there is tick mark in Internet Protocol version 4. After that, simply click on OK and then refresh your device. And then you're good to go. That's how to fix unidentified network, no internet in Windows 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.